Wow, look at the ball.
Okay.
Record it.
Something else?
Well, because you always like look at.
Mommy, I wanna go there.
Oh, come on, Dino.
There's some nature animals that don't exist anymore, Mama.
Oh, he's waiting line here. In.
In Egypt, the Pharaoh was the bridge between the world of humans and that of the divine. As king of Egypt, he was considered a living god. It was in 1279 BC, 1,000 years after the pyramids and 1,000 years before Cleopatra. An Egyptian pharaoh, Seti I, had died, and his son, destined for unimaginable greatness, was about to succeed the throne. At dawn, on the 27th day of the third month of summer, Ramses II, not yet 30, became king of Egypt, the Pharaoh, chosen one of the sun god Re, the third pharaoh of the 19th dynasty. When he ascended to the throne, Egypt was emerging from a period of instability and her borders were at risk. Ramses fought back invaders on all sides and expanded Egypt's territory. His greatest challenge, the Battle of Kadesh against the rival Hittite Empire, where he fought bravely, even in hand-to-hand combat. Declaring himself the victor, Ramses celebrated the story on temples throughout Egypt. He documented it in such detail that the Battle of Kadesh is considered the most famous battle of the ancient world. Under the wise and effective rule of Ramses, Egypt enjoyed prosperity. A measure of this wealth, the remarkable temples he commissioned throughout the land, becoming one of Egypt's greatest builders. By carving his name and his likeness on them, he ensured that he would never be forgotten. At Abu Simbel, Ramses also built a temple carved out of sandstone cliffs to honor his first love and queen, Nefertari. Dedicating it to her, he inscribed on the facade, "For whom the sun shines." Her beauty captured in stone, Nefertari appears equal to him in size, a rare honor for an Egyptian queen. Nefertari stayed at Ramses' side until her death, her lavish tomb a final testament to his great love for her. When Ramses died, he was over 90 years old, had fathered over 100 children, and reigned for nearly 67 years. Few could remember a time in Egypt ruled by any other pharaoh. With reverence, his body was prepared for the afterlife and his mummy enshrined in the Valley of the Kings. But less than 200 years later, his tomb was plundered by robbers, and over the centuries it was ravaged by floods and filled with debris. His remains and all the riches sent with him to his afterlife were thought to be lost forever. Then, a chance discovery in the 19th century uncovered a cache of 50 royal mummies. Would Ramses II be among them? Join us now to experience the life of King Ramses II, the Pharaoh of Pharaohs, who epitomizes power and wealth at the height of ancient Egypt. Discover the grandeur and opulence of his world, the world of Egypt's kings. Meet Ramses the Great and marvel at the gold of the pharaohs.
That was fast. I did this. cracked a little bit.
Crack here and there. This is really old. How many years is this? It's like thousands. Cái này là mình chỉ có thể nào gặp ở Egypt không, ở đây nó có.
Lily, look at the cat god. Look at the cat god. See, it's a cat. Are these the treasures?
Yeah, they use it back. Only the king that use these things. Wow, look at this. Is actually it's how it looked in Egypt. I'm sorry. Oh, it's okay.
Mommy, look over here. Mommy,
Tù gỗ ngày xưa người ta. Wow, nó bên ô.
Are these the statues, Mama?
Yeah. Nghĩ sao mà người ta khắc lên anh hiểu không?
Này thiệt hả?
Dạ thiệt á, này khắc lên cái hòn đá. Khi bạn đi Egypt đó là all the cat là the what?
So mommy, so that wall is one of from
the pyramid.
Let's check out some more. Mommy, this one's a special one.
I know.
It's a pig. Mommy, look at this. It's a tiny house.
Oh
My dad said if we touch it, it turns to dust. Is that real, Lily? And how is it put back together, Lily? You can't put it back together, Steven. Hey, Steve, do you know it's made out of dust? Everything's made out of dust. Lily, real water. See, that's not real, Steve. That's just glue. What's a gloop? Lily, a gloop is a kind of solution, Steven. It's a kind of trap.
Can you tell the museum if they're 15 that way?
Nếu mà đi tới Egypt nó có vậy thiệt luôn đó anh đi vô trong luôn á. Anh dám đi không?
Yeah, why not?
Nghĩ sao mà người ta làm ra được ha? Người ta làm nó được đó à? Thấy không? Người ta đẽo tay á.
Here, behind.
Hả?
Oh, it's so broken. See, Steven, all those fossils are old, Steven. This is the first time we see them.
Their rival, the Hittite kingdom, and expand Egypt's borders. The Hittite king amasses his
Mommy, what is this?
coalition of tens of thousands of fierce warriors from allied territories, and also moves toward Kadesh. Egyptian accounts say the Hittites conquered the mountains and filled the valleys.
So, Mommy, that's the broken piece. Mommy, what about this?
Ramses is woefully outnumbered.
Mommy,
But
what
he is
about
not one to back down.
Let me see. This one
Among
is
his troops are warriors from his previous
the
conquests.
special rock.
Nubians, Libyans, and shared
The pot,
empires.
the god.
Just hours from their target.
Mommy, is it the tiny pot where they can put whatever they want in
Hittites
there?
are still several days' journey away. He decides to make camp with his Amun division. His other battalions, including an elite force from Amun, are still hours away. Ramses will launch his attack once the rest of his army arrives. But his plan is soon foiled. Near camp, Ramses' guards interrogate two Hittite defectors. They reveal the Hittite army is actually in hiding just across the river. Suddenly, the Hittites' chariots smash into Ramses' raid division.
So they know the details?
Yeah, it's
In
strong.
the melee, the Egyptians
Put
flee
on the rock so that
and lead the
everyone knows
Hittites
about
directly
it.
into the sanctuary of the Egyptian
Yeah,
king.
but mommy, how do they put
Ramses faces thousands of enemy charioteers. Pharaoh fights bravely, his pet lion at his side, while the Hittite king sits softly on the other side of the river. The battle rages, and the Hittites sense victory. Ramses lead warriors, giving the king the power to wage an counterattack. Unleashing a fury of arrows, the Egyptians force the Hittites back across the river. Ramses himself describes the scene. I made them plunge into the water like crocodiles. Those who fell down did not rise.
What's this?
Wow.
Most of the Hittite force drowned
Are these
or
one of the
killed,
tables, Mama?
including the king's brother. The Hittite king was heirs.
This is a coffin.
Ramses' soldiers were
The coffin, the before they put the mummy inside the coffin.
rides away from the field of battle, declaring himself the victor. The Hittite versions are just the
It's locked?
Yeah.
Mommy, there's still more over here.
Wow, I never seen it.
King Ramses signed a treaty
On this thing, on his
Reality. His tomb is only as big as the line is on the floor.
I know, look, they drew on stone.
What does it mean?
I don't know what that means.
Oh, look, there's my finger.
You know what? It says it was an artist practicing his drawing. It was actually blocked with this skin. So it's
Wow, so beautiful.
What is all this stuff?
Can you imagine? This is how they draw
Em
it.
chụp tấm hình đây nè. That was flying. Có con ai á? Okay, you got a lot of picture for you guys.
Now let's go see the rest. Dad wants to see.
Okay, we have a lot to see. Unbelievable. This is a coffin, do you know that? And all the pieces around here actually like big to cover the coffin like that.
Oh wow. Up
Can
here,
you
look up here.
imagine? Yeah, so they need to break it out so they can show you.
Kadesh and their rival, the Hittite king.
Can you imagine how magnificent?
The Hittite king amasses his army.
Oh, let me see.
Is
Hold on.
that the picture? What is it?
They carve it on the rock so people remember that actually it was handled.
Mommy, this is what it looks like and it's rock.
Yeah.
Ow. I thought it was... Mommy, look at this. This is my baby.
This is Pharaoh.
This is my baby.
Wow.
Mommy, look at this special decoration.
Okay.
What is it?
The base.
What is the base used for?
They can put the water or they can do like decoration.
Oh yeah, but they can do that. What is this?
It's a Pharaoh.
Mommy,
Take a picture with the Pharaoh. Lily, đợi người ta đi cái mẹ con chụp hình với lại Pharaoh.
One, two, three. Nó không có cho chụp hình flash lên rất là tối.
Ồ vậy hả?
Mommy, look at that.
Wow, the Pharaoh đã ăn bằng gỗ đó anh. animal. Can you imagine?
You made me go wrong.
Okay, I'm here. Mummified animal.
These are coffins for animals.
Orange. That's a mummy from an animal.
I know.
Okay, what's three?
These are mummies.
It's a mummy of a mongoose.
This is a bug coffin.
Lion.
These are bug coffins.
That's a lion mummy.
What's that? A lion mummy.
Mummified lion. What about number 11? Coffin contain mummified animal. This is a coffin.
Wow. What about this one?
Number 6 is mummified cat.
Mommy, it's so hard to make.
Oh wow, unbelievable, huh?
Mommy, what about this one?
What number? Tell me the number.
5.
Number 5, thank you. Statue of Ramesses.
I like that.
This is a statue.
Mommy, what about this?
Alright, so what's about it? Hay quá hả?
What's this, Lily?
About the cat.
Anh, ngày xưa người ta mang cái này luôn đó anh. Jewelry á, mấy người king and queen là gì đó.
Oh, yeah?
Princess, see? They wear like that.
Mommy,
Unbelievable.
Mommy.
Yeah. Come here. Oh, this one too. Wow, that's real nha. Người ta wear like this.
Mommy, I want it.
Oh.
It's expensive to buy, Mama.
Queen and king, princess.
Okay, let's go inside.
Let's go more.
Let's go see more. Mommy, that's another one. Mommy, that's broken.
See the coffin. Đây đừng có đụng vào này.
Mommy, let's go see more. What's that?
Oh, Lily, look. This one is a collar.
So that's what they use to paint?
No, they used to wear on their neck.
Oh.
Wow.
Mommy, look at this one.
Anh đây anh.
Mommy! Mommy, this is so big.
Oh, this is another coffin.
Mommy, look over here.
This is a tomb. Wow. Hold on Lily. Imagine là con người ta khắc như vậy đó. Hay chưa?
So, Mommy,
Oh.
these two pieces go together.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mommy, look at this one. Mommy! Mama!
Oh, what's in the bottom?
Người ta nằm người chết ăn Lily.
This
is the rock luôn mà người ta khắc như vậy hay vậy trời.
Mommy, what's that?
Oh, the bottom of the
Mommy, it's... Mommy, there's also one under. Wait, what? What? I can put it through. I thought that was trash, but it's not. Mommy, let's go in here, Mama. Mommy, let's go in here.
The Egyptian Antiquity Service set out to investigate the story of
It's real, Mommy. This is real.
Lily, come here.
Reaching the turn in the passage, a cluster of mummy cases came into view, in such numbers as to stagger me.
This is the coffin.
Another one.
The wife or the princess something.
Over 3,000 years ago, the mummies included.
This is fake.
Yeah.
You know why it's fake? Remember I showed you?
Yeah.
Look at the hands.
Yeah.
The arms are wrong.
Yeah, that's right.
It's left over right, not right over there.
Set out to investigate the story of a discovery by a young goldberg.
Reaching the turn in the passage, a cluster of mummy cases handed to you.
Thấy không hả?
Wait, there's no one supposed to tell us. Mommy!
Objects and items from the only intact tomb of Pharaoh. Tutankhamun.
Wow, it's a mummified, Lily.
Reigned 7 times longer than Tut. Ramses' tomb and burial items surely far surpassed anything you will see here. First, his mummies gave practical advantages. Traveled to France for exhibitions. Jewels are placed between layers of linen wraps, and spells are chanted to activate them. Each item has an ordained divine purpose. Eternal life. Protection. Stability. Rejuvenation. They ensure his passage through the dangerous metal to the afterlife. Now a god, the king's mummy is adorned with gold, the flesh of the gods. At the burial, a priest performs the opening of the mouth ceremony to allow Ramses to breathe, eat, drink, and speak as he travels to the afterlife. For protection from thieves and underworld demons, and to denote his divine status, his mummy is placed in multiple coffins and shrines.
Đó. Có một cái hộp ở ngoài thấy không?
Mommy, that's the one we saw!
His tomb is sealed after it's been packed with everything a king needs for a glorious afterlife. Ramses' immortality is assured. The name of the greatest of all the pharaohs will live forever.
Too long.
Let's go, Lily. Come on.
Found in a modest wooden coffin,
We can see more?
archaeologists visited his temples. They ignited a Western fascination with Egyptian art and culture. One colossus, wrestled to London by a treasure hunter, made Ramses an international sensation. In the 1960s, to save it from flooding by the Aswan Dam, Abu's Simbel temple was carved into pieces and relocated to higher ground. Egyptians have literally moved mountains to preserve Ramses' memory. 10 years later, his mummy traveled to France for an exhibition at the Grand Palais in Paris. He was greeted with the honors of a head of state and driven past his obelisk at the Place de la Concorde. Before his body was returned to Egypt, scores of scientists and doctors devoted 7 months to preserving his mummy with cutting-edge technology. February 2021, in Cairo, he made the spotlight.
Not yet?
Wow. This is the glass. I don't even know where it's going.
Mommy, where we going?
Come over here. Em. Đứng ngàn này nhìn nó mới vui nè.
Wow.
Mommy, how can people know where they're going?
Trời đi trước coi biết đường đi không?
Mommy, how can people know where they're going?
Follow the line.
Found it!
Oh, okay.
But Mommy.
Oh, this way.
Oh!
Oh, okay.
Sorry, y'all.
Let's go in.
Cô
À,
bên
em
đây
đứng
first.
chính giữa.
Oh, that's not the end. There's more.
1, 2, 3.
I want to go back to
Okay.
Hey, Austin.
Do you look up?
Hey, y'all get together? Wait, right on the side. Right on the side. You ready? Look at me, look at me.
I don't even know what to start with.
Okay, let's go from here.
Let's go. Mommy, what's this? Is that their clothes? What is it
How they
made
dress?
out of?
Oh, business dress.
Yeah, but what is it made out of?
I don't know.
It looks like it's made out of rocks. Daddy, Mommy, look at the first one. The first, what is that? What is that thing?
What from?
Tell me what. Mommy, old fossils are dirty. Mommy, look at this one. Look at the funny goat box. I'm just so excited.
Yeah, đẹp quá cái gì ha. Wow.
Mommy,
Yeah.
what's this?
Number what?
No, start with number 5.
Where? This one? The shell naming the king and Moses. The shell. It's the shell. They decorate the shell so they can wear it on the neck.
What is this one?
Number 6.
Yeah.
This is the map head.
What about this? Number 7.
Number 7, lion hun. Number 7, lion hun. Crab.
What is this one? Crab?
Captive. Number 8. Oh, it's a piece of the rock that's talking about the history of the hunting.
Okay. What's Alright, I said what? Then you just grabbed me. Mommy, we should move on to Mommy!
Take a look at this.
1279.
Mommy, are these the bricks? What are these for?
It's a decoration, really.
Is that just the broken piece? It's getting... Mommy, look at all of this!
I know.
Right? I want to look at this, Mom.
Oh, okay. Don't touch me.
Is that a TV?
I think so.
But it doesn't... Wait.
Oh,
It's real!
you don't touch. Come on.
Why I can't touch?
So I say don't touch.
That's made out of a TV.
Look at that. You got his
Oh my God. That was horrible. That would not be
What? Oh, get this thing. Come on, Tia, come on, Mommy, look at this.
Another list of an exercise for human shape. Book of the Dead.
Mama, this is big one. Go that way.
And I forgot it was next.
Nó giống như là trong cái Egypt trong cái pyramid đó.
I want to take you here. What's that?
I don't know. It looks like a pot.
It looks like a part of something, Mama.
Offering table. Offering vessel. Full of fruit.
Is that a fruit? Huh? It doesn't look like a fruit. Mommy, that's a weird fruit.
You want to go in here?
Mommy, let's go here.
Oh.
You wanted to go here? Mama!
Oh, look at the gold.
Mommy, what is this?
Trời ơi, vàng không à. Là mấy cái thương, mấy cái thương.
Mommy, look at this! Mama, there's another place over here. Mommy, follow me.
Rồi anh ơi, mommy. It's the real one. Hey, look.
It's so scary. Okay, let's just get out. Is this the piece that goes together?
Yeah, it's a pea from the mummy. This is the trappings from the mummies.
So, Mommy, this is where, so these parts go together?
Yeah. Wow. Coffin của mommy là gỡ ra đó.
Yeah, look real.
Yeah.
It's real, huh?
Đó đó là mummy vậy. Sợ chưa?
25th.
Oh, it doesn't. Oh yeah, it might just be fabric actually. It's pink. It didn't say anything. Oh wait, it doesn't. It is money.
It's a little land.
Are you going back outside? We'll go the other way.
Ow.
Chưa qua hết mà.
What? Okay. Mommy, is this weird? Whoa! Look what's inside! Mommy, look at the scary bowl. Look up here, I'm so scared. Look up here. Look up there. That's so scary.
I guess when they do the scan. Huh. How about that? They probably put in the brain one. It's like somebody purposely
Ooh. Mommy, there's too many bandits. Too many.
We turn that way. Where the girl? Wait a minute, because it's like.
Cái này nắm tay mẹ.
But we have a lot of things to see.